Bruh, 2023 was insane. That's like the best word I got for it. Insane. The year's already over with, bro, and I promise you it felt like it just began, and 2024 is around the corner. But before we get into 2024, it was some sneakers that I did not cop that I had to spin the block on. Certain sneakers, I'm not gonna hold you, I'm cool with letting pass. It's a few other ones that I've seen this year, I had to double back. And that's the video for today. Now, I will be doing a top 10 video on my top 10 sneakers of the year. Hopefully it's not too late. I wanted to kind of make it dramatic fashion, so it'll probably be tomorrow or, probably tomorrow or the 30th. Either way go, it will be before 2024, and it will be my favorite sneakers of the year. Now, y'all know throughout the year, man, it's kind of hard to get your hands on everything because there's so much to cop. And now, it's a lot of brands that's winning right now. New Balance, Salomon, Saucony, Jordan, of course, Nike, Adidas got Jerry Lorenzo over there. So it's a lot of things happening all over the spectrum, so we can't grab them all. So let me show y'all what I decided to go back and cop before the end of the year was out. Number one, if you know what this camo, this black and gray army fatigue means, then you already know what's in this box, man. New Balance did an amazing job this year with collaborating with a lot of people. But the one person we gotta get a cake to when it comes to New Balance collaborations, because he's still killing it right now. He's been doing it for like the last 3 years. Joe Fresh, bro. Shout out to Joe Fresh. This is a Joe Fresh collaboration. And I did not want to end the year off without getting this W. Well, this is a delayed W in the words of my boy Bull, but this sneaker was one that I wanted. I slept on, the resale price wasn't that much. And I don't think a lot of people even like this shoe. That goes back to me. Hey, y'all be calling me a hype beast, bro. Y'all just don't understand, bro. I be going back copping the ones I don't even want, bro. We get the New Balance 610 Joe Fresh collaboration. This colorway is called Lil Swamp. It's orange, it's green. Two of my favorite colorways put together in one sneaker. And of course, it got some spirit laces, but I like the black laces, and I think I'm gonna keep them like that because orange on orange is kind of nasty. I ain't gonna hold you. Now, before y'all get on me about my New Balance, I don't know if you like this, you know what I'm saying? And it's cool if you don't, as we know. I'm pretty sure you got some stuff in your collection I'd probably be like, nigga, you wildin'. But these are tough. Joe Fresh has been doing an amazing job, and he just came out with another collaboration that was like belly inspired. White and black, black and white, and then he had the all blue colorway with the blue laces. Those was decent. I didn't really want to cop those, but this was a pair I knew I had to. It was two colorways that came with this sneaker, and out of both, this one probably kind of spoke to me the most, right? Orange is my favorite color, and I love me some green. You put both of those on the shoe, it's gonna be hard for me to not be interested, right? Not to mention that New Balance has been doing a good job keeping it comfortable. I don't know about this 610 silhouette though. I've never owned a 610 before. This is my first one, right? So I got the Joe Fresh, what is it, 9060? And I know I got the other pair around here somewhere. Yep, here they go right here. I got this pair that Joe Fresh gives as well. Like I said, I don't get everything, but I do get what I think speaks to me. And like I said, bro, these was going for the low. Got these off StockX, I believe, for only like $260, bro. So $260 resale, steal for me, bro. And like I said, I'm gonna get some fits off with this, mesh on the upper, the orange, green. I like the trim. These are tough. These are tough. So I did pick up the Joe Fresh goods. Comment down below and let me know, what do I get out of 10? 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I'm giving these joints 8 out of 10. These are 7.5, 8, 7.5, 8, 7.5, 8. But I do think like on foot though, they can be a 9, 10 though. I'm gonna keep it a bit like just looking at them like this, 7.5, 8 for sure, right? But what a fit. Now we talking 9, 10. And if you want to go at my fits, bro, my Instagram is linked down below, Sniper Jones. You know, let me know if I can put it together or not, but I'm gonna let y'all come up with that, man. Now, this is very unusual from any other sneakers I would be reviewing or talk about on this channel, so, I mean, let's just do it. Fire! Like I told y'all, bro, hey, I've never owned a pair of these before, and why not bring it to the channel? Right there on the box, Balenciaga. Now we talking. 100% of my collection up to this point was all sneakers that was streetwear. Jordan, Nike, Adidas, Yeezy, Puma, Reebok, you name it, that's what I had in my collection. This is my first ever pair of designer shoes. It was so bad, I didn't even know my European size. I had to go through about 2 different pairs of sneakers to figure out what it actually was, because I looked at my Jordans, I wear a size 12. You know, over on the side of the size tag, it say European size, told me I was a 45. But actually, I was a 44 on these. Buy out the Balenciaga trainers, man. Now listen to me, hear me out. Let me talk, because I know y'all really, I know y'all wilding right now. Like, Snipe, what the hell are you doing? But look, hear me out, okay? I'm 29 years old, bro. I have to gradually move out of sneakers somehow, some way. I don't own no dress shoes, okay? I do own a few pair of boots, but I have to go up, right? I have to start, look, it gotta happen sometime, brother. And the best way for me to do it is to elevate still being me. I don't like Prada shoes. I don't like Gucci shoes. I don't like the Christian Dior's that look like sneakers, no. But I did always have a love for Balenciaga trainers, not the sock joints, but these. Now, this is the closest thing to streetwear I can find. I really do like the over-exaggerated lace that's literally wrapped around the outsole of the sneaker because it reminds me a lot what Virgil did with that off-white Nike Dunk. I know I got a pair over here somewhere. Well, actually, I got all of them. I'm trying to find one. Bow, right here. I actually tied mine around the back, but you see how they did a good job of like having the over-exaggerated laces throughout the entire sneaker. I saw that when I finally looked at these Balenciaga trainers, and I was like, damn. That's a really nice touch. As far as the colorway, I wanted to come out with something that I could pretty much wear with anything. And this shoe was like $1,200. I wanted to pick something that I can get a lot of fits off. So white and black, this is easy to get a lot of fits off, but bro, I love it, man. I like it a lot. And believe it or not, bro, this might be one of the most comfortable sneakers I have in my collection. I ain't even just saying that. Remember, this is a Christmas gift. It ain't come out my pocket. I ain't got a cap. These are super comfy. Now, as you can tell, the sneaker comes already look like it's damaged or already worn, and I kind of like that about it too. Got some scuff marks up here, look a little dirty right here on the side panel of the shoe. I don't know if y'all can see that through the lighting, because the lighting in the studio got these looking spit shine, I ain't gonna lie, but they're really supposed to look flawed. The scuffs and bruises and bits all over it, but hey, I like these a lot, tried them on, and I had to get them. These will go perfect with like some oversized pants, whether they like the oversized dad sweats or even like oversized actual jeans. I'm telling y'all, these is tough. But like I said, I know y'all a sneaker channel, and y'all know when I bring the heat up, the Jordans, the Yeezys, the all that good stuff. Comment down below what you thought about my Balenciaga trainers. Like I said, man, I could not go into 2024 reneging on another pair. I've been inside the Balenciaga store 20 times. I'll pick them up, put them down, pick them up, 20 down. Not this time. And last, but certainly not least, I got a banger for y'all. Baya! Now, y'all know I couldn't just intro 2 sneakers without at least giving y'all something that I knew y'all want to see. Come on now, man. We have an Air Jordan AMAN. We got an Air Jordan AMAN year box, and if you know, you know, this box may contain one of the best sneakers of the year. So I've heard. I had to see these in hand. I needed to get them in hand. I needed to get them in my size. And ladies and gentlemen, we got them. This is the Air Jordan 5 AMAN year, and when I seen these, I knew for a fact I might have to cop these. Judging just off of the Air Jordan 5 itself, I thought it had some potential. I didn't really know if I wanted to cop it or not, but what sold it for me was that white lace swap on this all black Air Jordan 5, and I said, damn, that's clean. The details is fire too. You got the Manier going throughout the entire caging unit of the upper, that's fire as well. You know how we do it now. Everything is pretty much pre-aged to make it look like it's a little bit older, got some nostalgia to it, but the material on the shoe is crazy. Not to mention the Nike Air on the back of the sneaker to give it a little bit more of that true nostalgia. They even got that same caging unit right there by the laces, pacifier on the tongue, 3M on the A. Listen, these are tough. 2 colorways drop, the black pair and the white pair. I think I speak for everybody. The white pair was mid at best, but this pair, this one was pretty cool. This one, I think, was gotten for like $450. StockX, so shout out StockX, $450, and this really was the one that I knew I had to get, right? I feel like I got just about all the other sneaker grails I wanted from 2023. The only one that I don't have currently in my possession is the Pine Green 4s. That's a long story. I had them, don't have them no more, and I would love to have them back because obviously those are in the conversation for sneaker of the year. But other than these, I had them all. Had to grab these. And of course, I want to know your thoughts and opinions on this Air Jordan 5 AMAN year. Did you cop it? And if you didn't, please tell me why, bro. This is solid. I actually almost didn't grab these because I kind of thought I'd be getting the same fits off with my off-white Air Jordan 5s, the black pair, because I also swapped those with the white laces, but I was like, tomato, who cares, right? We sneakerheads, we got 40 shoes that's the same colorway. It shouldn't really matter like that. Anyways, man, thank you guys so much for watching. 2023 has been amazing, but I felt like I've been slacking this year. I haven't really been uploading nowhere near as consistently because I have my second channel. I also do a lot of content over at Overtime as well, and I just had a daughter. You know what I'm saying? I have a family now. So it's been very time consuming, but I'm already writing down notes. I'm already locking in, trying to focus on how I can be my best 2024. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe because there's gonna be a lot more content. Everything will be strategized, planned out, and I'm excited for the next year because I got a lot in store for you guys, man. So like I said, subscribe to the channel and stand by. For the ones who've been rocking with me, I appreciate you. For everybody new, no hard feelings, man, I hope you stay. But until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. Brutally putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.